Parabuild is steel detailing software that can model all types of structural steel in 3D. It automatically produces the bills of material, shop drawings and CNC files needed to fabricate and erect a structure. This video shows how workshop drawings, bills of materials, general arrangement drawings and CNC files are generated in Parabuild. Bills of materials and workshop drawings are generated at the click of a button. Position and assembly drawings are also generated with just a push of a button, and you can view these drawings by simply double-clicking on the sheet number. These part details and assemblies are fully marked, dimensioned and annotated. Parabuild uses artificial intelligence to ensure that dimensions and views are readable and don't interfere with each other. Plan views, elevations and sections can also be created by simply clicking a button. You can then add as many additional sections as you wish using Parabuild's built-in tools. Enlarged details can be extracted by drawing a frame around the part to be detailed and placing it anywhere on the drawing. And when dimensions are placed on GA drawings and changes are made to the model, then the GA drawings can simply be refreshed and all the 2D geometry, dimensions and annotations will be automatically updated. Parabuild can also place automatic Dstv contours for welders, which can save a lot of valuable time in the workshops. Part names can also optionally be scribed and are automatically positioned to avoid collisions and to ensure clarity. It's also possible to mark only the corners of the parts to save machine time. For more information, please visit us at our website at parabuild.com.